Today I am trying something unusual, cooking the famous Omelette Poulard in a wok pan. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Omelette Poulard is a classic French dish known for its light, airy texture. It's usually baked in the oven, but I'm changing the rules today. I'm using 4 eggs, separated the yolks from the whites. The yolks were seasoned with salt and pepper. While the whites were beaten until stiff peaks formed. I cooked the yolks first in a thin layer. I'm trying. Then gently added the whipped whites on top. Covered the pan to let the steam set the egg foam. Finally, I folded the fluffy omelette in half, just like a cloud sandwich. And here it is a super fluffy Omelette Poulard made in a wok pan. No oven, just a pure egg magic. If you enjoyed this cooking experiment, give it a like and subscribe for more creative recipes. Let me know in the comments would you try this at home.